Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with the electrochemistry with module number 2nd. In the first module we have discussed about different types of conductors and some basic terms. And in continuity with those terms, we have studied resistance, conductance and specific resistance or resistivity. I am again telling the term resistance is shown by R when to the conductor, to the ends of the conductor we applied the voltage V, then I, the current that gets flow through the wire, then the resistance can be explained by the term Ohm's law. Resistance will be equals to V by I. And the unit of resistance comes out to be ohm. The reverse of resistance is called conductance, shown by G, and the conductance is the ease of a flow of electrons through the electrolyte. G equals to 1 by R, the reciprocal of resistance. Unit is reverse of resistance, mho or ohm inverse, or shown by Simon, S. Next term is specific resistance. We have discussed in module number 1st. Also named as resistivity, shown by the term rho. R directly proportional to length and inversely proportional to area of cross section of the cell. So this proportionality constant can be replaced by the term rho. R equals to rho L by A. Rho can be equals to R into A by L. And when we are to find out the unit, R unit is ohm, area we are to take in centimeter square, length in centimeter, and we get ohm centimeter, the unit of rho, specific resistance or resistivity. Next is rho can be defined as that may be equal to R resistance when the area of cross section equals to 1 centimeter square and length equals to 1 centimeter. So we have defined it. Resistivity is equal to the resistance when the length of the cell is 1 centimeter and area equals to 1 centimeter square. Let's shift further. After this term, the next term is term number 4, specific conductance or conductivity. It is shown by the symbol K kappa. So from this particular aspect, as we have studied, R, that is directly proportional to length of the cell and inversely proportional to area of cross section A. R equals to rho into L by A. The reciprocal of R, resistance, that is equals to conductance. Reciprocal of this rho, resistivity, that is equals to conductivity, shown by kappa into L by A. And we get, by cross multiply it, we get kappa equals to G into L by A. So this term if we are talking about L by A, let's shift to this term also. This is named as cell constant. This is shown by G star. So G star, this is equals to length by area, where length is shown by centimeter and area equals to centimeter square. We get centimeter inverse. It is the unit of cell constant. Centimeter inverse. So if we replace L by A by G star here, then kappa equals to G into G star. This very formula we are to apply in different numerical problems, where kappa equals to, kappa means conductivity, equals to G equals to conductance into cell constant. We get this particular formula, and from here we find that the unit of kappa, unit equals to the unit of G equals to Simon, G star centimeter inverse. So this will be the unit of conductivity kappa. And for definition, kappa equals to G when length equals to 1 centimeter and area of cross section comes out to be 1 centimeter square. So let's define it. The conductivity is equal to the conductance of solution when length of the cell equals to 1 centimeter and area equals to 1 centimeter square. Or the next definition may be the conductivity is equal to the conductance of the solution, the conductance of solution in 1 centimeter cube volume of solution of electrolyte. So this is the definition of conductivity. I am again telling, we have discussed two main aspects: the specific conductance shown by conductivity kappa, R equals to rho L by A, the term rho replaced by this proportionality constant replaced by term rho, the reciprocal of R, that is equals to G, reciprocal of rho kappa into L by A. By cross multiply we get kappa equal to G into L by A. L by A is shown by G star, that is cell constant, whose unit is centimeter inverse, and we find that kappa equal to G into G star. It means conductivity equals to conductance into cell constant. This particular formula is very important for numerical aspect. So for definition, when length equals to 1 centimeter and area of cross section equal to 1 centimeter square, when we apply this term, then we find kappa equal to G. It means conductivity equals to conductance when length of the cell equals to 1 centimeter and area of cross section equal to 1 centimeter square. It has been defined here. Or the conductivity is equal to conductance of solution in 1 centimeter or 1 centimeter cube of the solution of the electrolyte. So the next aspect is, sixth one is molar conductivity. Molar conductivity. It is shown by this very symbol, molar conductivity. So the molar conductivity the formula of molar conductivity, this will be equals to kappa into 1000 divided by molarity m. Here if we find out the unit of kappa equals to Simon centimeter inverse divided by molarity mole per liter, and 1000, this is also the volume, it means ml per liter. Liter to liter cancels out, ml this is replaced by centimeter cube, and when we find out this centimeter gets crossed by this 1 centimeter, it means molar conductivity equals to Simon centimeter square per mole. This will be the unit of molar conductivity. And as per the definition of molar conductivity, it is defined as molar conductivity is equal to the conductance of number of ions in 1 molar solution of an electrolyte. 1 molar solution of an electrolyte. So this is about the different basic aspects of the term electrochemistry. Now, there is one question that has been asked in board exam a number of times. The question is that what is the relationship between conductivity, kappa, resistance, R, and cell constant G star. So its solution is, we know that kappa equals to G into G star. Kappa conductivity equals to conductance into cell constant. Here we are having conductivity. Here we are having conductivity, resistance, and cell constant. Instead of this conductance, we are having resistance. So kappa equals to 1 by R into G star. So this formula will be applied for this particular aspect. Next, one more question, that what is the relationship between conductivity, kappa, and molar conductivity. So the relation will be equals to molar conductivity equals to kappa into 1000 divided by m. So this will be the aspect. Let's solve one or two numerical problem. Let's take exercise question number 3.8. It is given that the conductivity of the conductivity of 0.20 molar solution of KCl is 0.0248 Simon centimeter inverse. Calculate its molar conductivity. We have to calculate molar conductivity. So in this question we are having given portion, conductivity of this molarity solution is this much. It means kappa is given 0.0248 Simon centimeter inverse. Molarity is given 0.20 mole per liter or molar. Molar conductivity we are to find out. So solution, molar conductivity equals to kappa into 1000 divided by molarity. This formula we are to apply. By applying the values, 0.0248 Simon centimeter inverse into 1000 divided by molarity 0.20 mole per liter, and we can find out molar conductivity equals to this much Simon centimeter square per mole. So in this way we can solve different problems. Let's solve one more problem. Question number 3.9 is given. The resistance of conductivity cell. The resistance of the cell containing 0.001 molar KCl solution again is 1500 ohm. Resistance is given for this molarity solution. What is the cell constant? What is the cell constant? We have to find out. Cell constant means G star we have to find out. If conductivity kappa is given, conductivity of 0.001 molar solution is 0.146 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 Simon centimeter inverse. Let's take what are the given conditions. Molarity is given, 0.001 molar solution is given. Resistance is given 1500 ohm. 1500 ohm. Cell constant we are to find out, G star we are to find out. Conductivity kappa is given 0.146 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 Simon centimeter inverse. In solution, as we know, kappa equals to G into G star. Kappa, that is given. G not given, instead of G R is given, and cell constant we are to find out. It means cell constant G star, that will be equals to kappa into R, and kappa equals to 0.146 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 Simon centimeter inverse into 1500 ohm or Simon inverse, and we find G star, whose unit comes out to be centimeter inverse. So by this we can solve different numerical problem of this aspect. Hope you all enjoyed and will do better, because practice makes a man perfect. If you do maximum practice of this numerical problem, you can easily solve all these problems. Thank you. Have a nice day.